All right, guys, we've made it to the end of my 31 uploads of 31 days. I'm so excited about that. But this one was an unexpected upload because this was a surprise Christmas gift, so I didn't know I was going to get it. But I had to unbox it, set it up with you guys, and show y'all I got a little bit of video for you to see how it looks. I haven't really used it too much, so there will be more videos coming when I get into settings, showing different content that I've created with it. But I'm really excited about this one. So let's get into today's unboxing and setup of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So I just lined everything up to show you everything that comes in this creator combo. So of course we get the carry case, the Osmo Pocket 3. This is an extra handle. It plugs right in here. Gives you a little more height to hold. Also, too, it does have that, I don't know the exact name and size, but you know, if you need to screw this onto a tripod, which we get here, this mini tripod. And you need it to stand up. To remove it, you would press this button and it makes those pop out a little. And you just shimmy it right on out. Goes in and it snaps on. This button here is the release. I want to show it again so you see the two sides. You also get this case. Really durable. You get, this is a battery handle. And it goes in the same way. You just snap. Press to release and take out. The wide angle lens. And it snaps right there for you to carry it around so you don't lose it. You're getting, of course I show the magnet. Let me take off. This is our transmitter, aka our microphone, and the really strong magnet so that it'll stick to your clothes, your jacket, and things like that. You also get a wind screen for your mic. You see that little piece there? Just pops right in. So if you're outside and it's windy and you want to record without hearing all that blowing and stuff, this, perfect. You get your charger. You're not going to get the block. You're just going to get the cord. And of course, if you are a klutz like me, you're going to need this one. And we're going to put it on. So right here is what you would get if you just buy the Osmo Pocket 3 alone. And that's $519. This is what you get in the creator combo for $669. So you get everything you get here, but also you get the mic, the windscreen, the battery handle, the mini tripod, the magnet for your mic, your wide angle lens, and your carry case. Okay, so let's get into the camera, right? So this is your power button right here. And you can also use it to take a picture, start your video right here. And then, what do they call those? Analog? But you see, you could push up, down, side to side. This right here is our memory card slot, which guess who has to get a memory card? This woman. And then here is where you charge that USB type C. Okay, so we have our little extended handle. You just plug it in right here. Gives you a little extra hold to hold on to. Also, again, it has that screw. So if you wanted to mount this on a tripod, that's what this piece will come in. And it comes, like I said, it comes in both the creator combo and the basic camera package. And look, you can charge it with this on here because it has the charging, the same USB type C charger port here. So you can plug it in. Also too, hold on, let me just get the charger. You know, if we're transferring data, or if, you know, they need any updates or anything, this is where it would be. This is where you would plug it in. This is where it would be. And again, this button here is the release. You would charge here. Then we have the extended handle. Put it in the same way. Now you have a longer handle. It is also an extra battery, so it makes your battery last longer. I think it's somewhere between maybe 60 and 70% longer. And you press to release. Just like the smaller one, you can charge everything while it's plugged into each other because it has that port. You can also charge it separate. And if you just want to charge your camera, you charge it here. But this one and this one, they both have the mounts that you would need for the tripod. Also, too, if you need more hand space, if you put this one in, then you put so as I was saying, you charge here, but if you wanted to stand on a tripod, you're using this extended stand or your battery extension that can also be doubled as a stand. Okay, and then we have that wide angle lens if you want a wider view, basically. And it just snaps right on. See those fingerprints? Make sure you have a microfiber cloth to clean that off. Again, it snaps into the carry case for safekeeping. The camera is facing the inside. That's how you carry it and keep it protected. You see how the slots fit in? Also, too, if you just wanted to walk with just what you need, you could just snap these on and still have it protected. Okay, let's talk about our microphone. Of course, again, that battery, and this is good too if you don't want your mic showing. You can have the mic on the inside of like your shirt and just have this on the outside. Or if you don't like to like clip it on where it's kind of dangling, just clip it where the mic is, you'll be sitting flush with your shirt like that, right? Now, once you turn it on, it'll automatically link to the camera. This is for, like I said, outside. Just stick it in there. I'm going to like start doing videos outside so we can see the difference. This is just the unboxing to let you know what comes with it, because I haven't used it yet myself. Now, this comes in a creator combo. It doesn't come in a basic, but you see these here? Those are the microphones on here. So it has its own microphone, just that you're going to get like some crisp audio, you know, with this. Also, too, it is saved, so your audio can be saved in here too. Look, so there's two ways to turn it on. You can flip it, and it automatically comes on, and then you flip it back to turn it off, or you can press the power button and it's on. Okay, now that you turn your phone on, you're going to go into your apps and get the DJI Mimo app. I think I said DJI Mimo app. Once you open up the app, it'll connect to your phone. It'll find your phone on its own. Then it's going to give you a code. Write it down. Okay, then you're going to agree to their terms and things like that. You allow access. Just toggle that over. Then it comes up with the plan. Remember the code? That's where you're entering the code, going to the next step. Then they have like a plan. You can go through all of that and see which one you want. It asks for feedback. Then you go through these slides. You're going to join the network, which is your camera. It takes about 2 minutes for it to load. I just sped it up instead of playing it out. Then it's going to connect. You just press connect. Again, the Wi-Fi again, which is your camera. You join. It asks for access to your microphone and your photos. Once you do that, that's when I realized I needed that SD card. Now, these are your controls. I have zoom on right here. You just press that right there to take the zoom off, and then that control will move the camera up and down if you're going up and down. If you want to zoom, you press here and use the up and down button to zoom. I'm going to just flip it that way. Now here, that you're going to flip the camera our way. Flip it back. Right here, you see the little camera. And that's where, go back. We're going to choose our options. Then you slide down for all of your settings. Just go through. This is just my basic setup video, so I'll definitely be doing more, going through what options I'm going to be choosing. And right now, I know nothing about the camera, so I'm just showing you everything that's available in here. We're going to turn it back on. Then we're going to go into the app. Join. Oh, I should have changed it. But anyway, that was an option to change the Wi-Fi name. When you're in the app, you can see the video. So I'm going to just walk around the craft room a little for you to see what I'm recording through the phone as well, even though you're seeing it on the screen. And guys, if you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe. We're going to go along this crafty and content adventure together in 2025 because I have a lot to learn, especially about these cameras and things like that. When it comes to crafting, I think I'm pretty good. When it comes to technology, I got a lot to learn, and we can learn together. Come back and look at the phone. We're going to turn and tell you when you reach your end point for the turn also. Go down. Look at that. And that's all, folks. So this video, I'm just going to show you again how you turn it on by flipping it and using the power button. But I made it to the end. I did it. I uploaded every day for the month of December. I completed my self-challenge of 31 uploads in 31 days. I'm tired. I'm done. But I'm proud of myself. And I'll see you guys in 2025.